Hello. So your previous sessions, when you observed, so we have written all the test cases. Like we have created few test cases and we have learned how to run the test cases in the command line, right? So by using the commands. So today, what we will do now? Already I have created few scripts here in package.json. So already there are few scripts. What we will do now today? We will create few more scripts for running our test cases. Okay. See, here I will explain you. So for default run and Chrome run Firefox execution, I have created few uh, scripts. Okay. So normally to explain, no, normally see as a QA tester, so we need to run the all the test cases, all the test if you want to run all the test cases. So we will use command line for the suit executions normally. So to remember each and every command, no, so some people will remember, some people will don't remember, and sometimes it may give us confusion. So people who are coming and working in our project newly, they don't, they are new to the project means they are new to the playwright means they don't know how to run the commands execution, right? So for that purpose only, so package.json file is giving us so one script section. So scripts is the section. It is we are going to inside scripts in the name of key value page. Okay, in the JSON format. So here you can create customized scripts. You can write customized scripts. The scripts can be used for your executions. So you no need to uh, remember every time. See, I already created for three scripts. So go to terminal line here. Just I will use npm run default run. See, this is a customized script. So I need to remember the complete what is inside execute. So if I execute by using the script, no, whatever we created the script, no, the test will execute. See here, the tests are executing. 88 tests, no, it is running in multiple browsers. Okay. So package.json file is giving us to create scripts and we can utilize those scripts while running the tests. Okay. Now I'll create few more scripts. Now default headed mode. Run. Okay, just view headed run. Headed run. You can enter schedule the headed mode. Okay. Headed run is it correct? So this is a file name. It can be anything. Whatever you are giving, you are going to apply here. Hmm? Run more headed. Okay. Is it find it? Now npx playwright test hyphen headed. See, you no need to remember every time. Like so, you need to remember every time. So these commands. So by copy the script line, Control C, copy Control C. Yes. Use this command npm run You didn't copy it. Just copy it. NPM run. Just give the run mode headed. See now, all the test cases will run in the headed mode. Okay. See, it got passed, executed. Hmm. All the test cases got executed. It is running Firefox Chrome, Firefox Chrome. Okay, now we'll create one more script. Run, run, single test. You need to run single test. Okay. npx playwright test. What is the single test? Get by text. No? Copy this. Copy relative codes. Provide here. Hyphen hyphen. Just give headed mode. So it is running. So just copy this script name. npm run single test. You are running single test. Only the test you are running. So it is running in the Chrome as well as Chromium browser as well as the Firefox browser. Okay. Now same script run the single test. No? You add it browser on browser. Browser name Chromium. Okay. Come here and just do the up arrow. So run single test. Okay, still it is working on two browsers. Mm, so this is on, right? Go to configurations. So here browser name we have disabled, right? Just copy these projects. Copy these projects. Go to your Package.Json file. Instead of browser name, view projects. Just check now. It will run only in the Chromium. Okay, still it is running two browsers. Mm, Running in two browsers, right? One thing I can tell you, So just type hyphen project, hyphen projects. Just try now. Okay, hyphen projects. No, projects is correct. Hyphen projects. Okay, okay. Hyphen workers. Workers one. One worker only we are running. Okay, just checking. NPM run something test. Two members should run in one workers. Workers. Still, it is running two workers. So I think I need to check in the command line what command we need to use it. For now, what we can do, right? We can disable the Firefox here. So it will work on Chromium for now, but later no, I will fetch the command. I will try to get the command. What is the command that we need to execute? For now, I am disabled in the configuration file. Now run it. It should run only in the Chromium browser. So one worker, one only Chrome browser is launching. Okay. By default, it is picking two browsers because the configuration settings are enabled, but still to command line, we can alter for one and we can use one. Okay, that I will check it. I will update you later, guys. So now go here, package.json file. Here, create uh, one more line, one more command. Create one more script. Run multiple tests. Okay, npx playwright test. Copy get by text or get by role. Copy relative path and copy text validation. Copy relative path. Okay. Just provide hyphen headed mode. Okay. I'm running in the only Chromium, right? Let it be in the headed mode. Copy the script. NPM run. NPM run multiple tests. See, it is running in multiple tests means it is running two test cases. So two workers means parallel it is running. Okay. It executed. Two test cases got executed. So Chrome run is already I created. Default run I created. Firefox run I have created. So this is how you are going to create NPM scripts in the package.json file. So which is very helpful for executions and people who are coming newly to your project. They don't know anything about your project, and some people are working on Selenium, coming to Playwright for the first time. They are working. They don't know how to write the scripts. This new measurement. So if you are busy with some other work in your team, so if you ask them to execute, no, just go and check the scripts under that. There are some commands are there. Just execute it by the script name. They will execute it. Okay, or the usage of the scripts is like you are also working for the longer time and the project is on hold for some days. When you are coming back and again you need to execute, right? So that time what will happen? You may forget the scripts and all. So if you if you write the scripts and store under the package or JSON file under scripts, right? Then it will be very helpful and it is for a longer run purpose. You can play with this. Thank you, guys. Maybe this session is very helpful for you. Thank you.